Now back to your forecast. We are talking about the heat and a mostly sunny sky. Few light showers out in Bastrop and eastern Travis. We're in the 90s right now. 94 in Austin, 94 in Georgetown, 93 in Lockhart, 96 in Bastrop, 94 in Marble Falls, 90 in Gillespie, upper 80s in Blanco County. We'll cool down from the mid-90s to the upper 80s by 11. Sun and scattered clouds, eventually increasing cloud cover overnight, heading off into your Saturday morning with our temperatures cooling back down to the upper 70s. Even then, we're going to have plenty of humidity to our air, so it's going to feel like the 80s. Already a mild start to your weekend. By the afternoon, mid to upper 90s. Our normal high is 94 for this time of year. We're going with 96 in Austin, 94 in Georgetown, 91 in Cameron, 94 in Lockhart, and 95 in San Marcos. For your Sunday, even a little bit warmer, 97 in Austin, 95 in Marble Falls. We'll have a southeasterly flow through the next few days, an occasional gust up to 30 miles per hour. All right, here's your weekend forecast. A very isolated shower can't be ruled out with more sunshine than clouds. We'll start off each morning with a partly to mostly cloudy sky, and then decreasing clouds to abundant sunshine by the afternoon. Rain chance hovers around 10%. You'll see a higher probability of getting any sort of showers or downpour south and east of Austin, closer to the coast, but still we'll have the moisture in play. Hopefully we can squeeze out a few showers. Here's our clouds and radar walking you through your day tomorrow. From the morning around lunchtime, you see that we have mostly blue sky around our area, followed by a few different light and brief showers could try to work their way through the afternoon and evening between around 4 to 7 p.m. Our high pressure, that's been the name of the game for several days. That's been relatively overhead Texas. Will retreat and move up to the north and east, bringing heat indices for cities like New York City and Washington, D.C. over the century mark. For us at the upper levels, we'll see a clockwise flow southeasterly for us, and that will bring a little bit of a cooler temperature trend from the upper 90s to just the mid 90s, 95 Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, with our rain chance going up to 20% Wednesday, Thursday, Friday into next week. I think most of the rain in my 1/10 of an inch to a 1/4 of an inch forecast will fall through the middle half of next week, and then out toward the big country and hill country, we'll see our totals drop off to just a few hundredths of an inch through the next 7. All right, here's your KXAN first warning weather, 7-day forecast, mid to upper 90s through the weekend, cooling back down just a little bit to 95. Our rain chance at 10% for a rare downpour, up to 20% starting next Wednesday.